Hi everyone, it's Ethan here from Extreme RC 4x4, and in some of the reviews that I was reading about the TRX4 kit, when you look on sites like AMAN, there's an issue where a bearing wasn't setting right in part of the transmission. Now I don't remember exactly what they said, but especially on YouTube, you can have people tell you about it, but I have not found anybody showing it yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the issue that I have. I'm not sure if it's the one that everyone else has, but these are my calipers here. We can zero them out and make sure they're in millimeters. So that's dead zero. And this is the first page in the instruction manual. We're on page 5. This is about one of the first steps. It's right here. This bearing, 5x10x4, that ball bearing needs to go into this side of the 24 tooth output gear. So here is our output gear right here, and then they call it the drive hub that goes inside of it right here, and the bearing fit into that perfectly, but this is the 10mm bearing that's supposed to go in here, and it does not fit. So we go ahead and measure the bearing here, and the bearing is about 9.9796, so that's really close to 10mm. But when we go ahead and measure the inside of our 24 tooth output gear, it is about 9.79, so that's about 0.2-ish millimeters off. So it doesn't sound like a lot, but with the small tolerances in this hobby, the bearing just does not fit in. However though, Traxxas was great to me, and less than 5 minutes on the phone, they're sending me a new output gear. So hopefully that will be here within the next week. But I just wanted to go ahead and put this video out there because I was not able to see this problem that people were talking about in reviews. But there you go, that is the issue that I have found with this. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow along so that we can build the rest of this TRX4 on camera, and I cannot wait to get it out on the trail. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day.